Oh my God, this store is making $14,000 a month selling AI clip art. That got your attention? Can we move on to the next part of this video where I don't have to shock you with monetary value so you can stay here and watch this video until the end because I want to show you something really, really cool? Yeah? Cool. So this is going to be a simple video where I just want to teach you how to make AI clip art fast with one tool, with one method, so you can start get this going, okay? Because here's the thing with this clip art stuff, okay? They're cute, don't get me wrong. These images are super cute, they're fun, they're really enjoyable to create them. I like making clip art, but it can be time consuming, even with AI. That's because a lot of these clip arts are in bundles. So you need to create a couple of different variations and styles at once, or relatively fast if you want to put them in a bundle. But as I said, I got you. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it with one simple tool. And obviously it's my tool. That's why I'm so excited to share it with you, because if you use my tool, I can earn some money. Okay, this doesn't matter. We don't care about money, right? This is not why you're watching this video. You obviously don't care about money, passive income, and all of this stuff if you're watching my video, right? Am I right or am I right? Of course not. You are here because you just want to be artsy and use AI for good, right? Right? Let's stop pretending. We all are here to learn how to make money. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it because I'm just that guy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna use one tool to create Etsy AR clip art, okay? And the tool is called Creatorium AI. I know, a very creative name. I came up with it. It's like being creative, what's spelled with the K. You get the vibe, right? So this tool can do a lot of different stuff, but the things that interest us in our case is gonna be Etsy research and AI generator or the clip art generator, okay? So you're gonna go to this website, you're gonna log in or create an account if you don't have one. It's free, but eventually you probably wanna upgrade because you're gonna run out of tokens. And when you do, don't worry, I got you, because you can get 20% of discount if you use this code. On top of it, you're gonna get 500 extra tokens as a sign-in bonus. So this is the dashboard, and there's a bunch of different tools here, but again, we're just gonna focus on the clip art aspect. The thing with clip art is we need to figure out what type of clip art sells, okay? And there's a couple of ways of doing it. One is free. I'm gonna show you the free one. So for example, you can go on Etsy and just type in clip art in the search bar, okay? And you want to know what's trending right now and what's selling right now in the clip art space. So right out of the way, I can see a couple of listings that are selling. So for example, this listing right here is getting some traction. It's tagged as a bestseller. This one right here is tagged with the popular now. So popular now means it's popular right now. A lot of people are buying right now. Bestseller means it's been selling well for some time, okay? Sometimes listing can be a bestseller and popular now at the same time. That means that it's been selling well for some time, but also there's a lot of attraction on it right now at this moment, okay? A lot of add to carts, a lot of favorites, a lot of purchases. So what I'd recommend doing is by basically scanning clip art items that are tagged with either bestseller or popular now. And I would lean more towards popular now because again, it usually means that this is something that's getting traction right now. So for example, this one right here is tagged as a popular now. It's also a bestseller too. And a lot of people are liking this one, okay? My problem with this one is this is probably copyrighted. This looks like some sort of cartoon that's probably popular and people are just buying it. And also this is not a clip art. This is just written as a clip art. This is a t-shirt design. I can see right here that this is just this is a digital print, but someone put the word clip art in it, and for some reason it's also tagged as a clip art. But that's not really the case. Anyway, if you want to do this more efficiently, in my opinion, is by using the Etsy research app built in Creatorium AI. So you can go to this tool right here, and what this software does is scanning Etsy for listings that are clip art, digital prints, wall art, and digital paper. So it's specifically built just for digital products and print-on-demand products. And it's scanning Etsy for popular now listings, or the ones that are getting a lot of attractions, the ones that are getting a lot of add to carts, a lot of favorites and things of the nature, okay? So this is scanning just for that. And it has filters. So in our case, we are interested in clip art. So I'm just gonna click on clip art and I'm gonna look what's happening in the clip art world. And you can sort it out by the newest first or the oldest first, or like the most amount of favorites, but let's stick to the newest first because that's what's going to interest us the most. And I can see right off the way that there's a couple of different designs that are getting traction, okay? So for example, I can tell that this watercolor girly style, that's what I call it, okay? It's getting a lot of traction. So this listing is being sold for $4, almost $5. I got 125 favorites. People are liking it, okay? So I can just simply click on view on Etsy, see what are the vibes, 20 add to carts in the last 24 hours, okay? People are liking it, people are buying it. This is something that's trendy, okay? So maybe I should create a clip art bundle similar to it, but this bundle contains 59 elements, okay? So I would have to create something similar, maybe 40, maybe 50, maybe 60, something of the nature, in a fall watercolory vibe, okay? And here's how we're gonna do this. So in Creatorium AI, there's a tool called Crop for AI, okay? Which will allow you to crop elements out of the photo. So let's start with the first element, which would be one of these girls, okay? So let's crop out one of these girls as an element, okay? Let's try to cut it out so it doesn't have the number 59. And why are we doing this? Because we're gonna train our AI model to create similar girls, okay? We need particular elements to train AI to create something like that. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna click on Save Cropped, and check this out. This is the photo that we just saved, okay? So it's cropped out photo, just like that. Super easy stuff, right? Now, we're gonna move on to my second favorite tool, which is the AI image generator, okay? So we're gonna go here, and now we're gonna train AI to create this girl. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna upload the image of the girl, and we're gonna use this tool called Get AI Prompt. And what this gonna does is gonna create AI prompt that's gonna try to create something similar to this girl, okay? And there's a bunch of different formats we can do. Let's do a PNG. Also, there's other AI models. So we're gonna use Flux, but there's OpenAI, there's Ideogram, there's gonna be more as well, okay? Okay, we got our prompt. We're gonna click on Use. And here's the thing. I'm gonna click on two buttons. I'm gonna click on Generate and Get Variants, okay? So generate, it's probably gonna create something similar to the original, right? It's gonna create a similar girl to the original. Variants will allow us to create variants of this girl, okay? You can see we got something very similar, right? And we can download this if we want to, but this is also gonna be saved in your history. If you wanna go back to it and you wanna see the prompt, you use it, you can do this as well, right? But again, we need like 50, 60 elements, and we need to create them fast, okay? Because we don't wanna spend too much time. And also, like, I don't know how to come up with an idea, like, what else can be different about this girl? Maybe instead of Latino girl, we want to have a black girl or a white girl or something, right? So that's why this tool called Get Variants comes in. So as you can see, we generated 4 different variants, and it's gonna create something in the same style, but with variations. So it might be a different girl. She might be wearing a different outfit. Let's actually check this out. So I'm gonna click on first variant, and let's see what type of image is gonna get generated. And all of this is generated within seconds, okay? It's generated really fast with a high accuracy, okay? So let's see. Okay, we got this girl has a pumpkin. The other one, I didn't have it. This one has like a little thingy on her head. I also think she is a little bit less Latino. I think so. I don't know if it's Latino or white. It doesn't matter. It's one of those, okay? It's a human being, okay? All right, let's see what's the second variant, okay? But we already have 2 different variants, okay? We just created 2 different variants really fast. Remember, we need about 50, 60. All right, this one is different for sure. Has a completely different vibe. So this is our third variant, okay? Let's see what's our fourth variant is gonna look like, okay? Let's see, come on, give it to me. I wanna see what's the third girl. All right, this is more French, okay? This one is like parlez-vous français, okay? This is a completely different vibe. All right, and let's see what's the last one. So that way we just created 5 different girls really fast, and we just need 45 more, okay? Okay, this one is also completely different. And now, if I want to, I can go to the history, and these are all the elements that I created, so I can save all the girls I just made, right? So let's save this one, and I'm gonna do the rest as well really fast, so I'm just gonna skip that part. Okay, but people that buy clipart, they expect the elements to have a transparent background because they might use it for stickers or school supplies, whatever the reason, right? So the girls we generated, they had some background in it, okay? So we're gonna use the background removal, and there's a bunch of different background removals here. That's because background removals, they work, I don't know. These AIs are a little bit weird sometimes. So most of them are free to use, and there's a premium one. So my recommendation is just to use the free ones. But if the free ones don't do a good job, just use the premium one. That one usually does the best job, but it just costs money. So let's go with the free ones. I'm sure the free one's gonna do a good job. So let's upload the photo. So let's start with the first one. Let's say this one, okay? I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna use one of the free ones, and let's click on remove background and check this out, okay? It's gonna be beautiful. This is gonna be the girl. That's it. No background, and we're gonna be happy. Boom. See? I told you. Why are you doubting me, okay? All right, let's download it. And what's the next step? Well, we can also upscale this image so it's gonna look cool. So the thing with the clipart is that people expect it to be like 300 dpi or so. So we can just upload it to our upscaler. And by default, it's set up for 6. But 6 is usually meant for like digital prints. This is not digital print, this is a clipart. So we can go to 4. That way the file is not gonna weight that much, but check this out. This is gonna upscale the image, so it's gonna be 300 dpi and the quality is gonna be very, very crispy. And here's an example. So this is, for example, very blurry and this is very crispy after the upscaling, okay? So that's kind of the point of it. This is just done so people will not complain they like got the images, they were not the best quality, okay? You wanna shut down your customers before they start complaining. Okay, and we got our upscale image. Let's download it and see what's the vibe, okay? And this is what it looks like. You can see it's super crispy, it's super good looking. These AI tools are getting better and better. Okay, but maybe you wanna create something more simpler, okay? If you have an idea for something simple, let's say blonde girl wearing fall clothes, you can skip all the steps I just showed you and use a different tool, okay? So there's another tool called clipart generator, and this one is the best one for simple prompts, okay? So this generator already has a bunch of styles picked, such as the watercolor girly one. This is the name I come up with, okay? Because that's a very popular style, or quirky, or steampunk, or sticker bold for stickers, or outline coloring for people that do coloring books, etc. Okay, you can also upload your custom ones as well. But we're gonna go with the watercolor girly style first, and check this out. So again, I just want a blonde girl wearing autumn clothes, okay? And it's gonna generate, it's gonna be very soft, very girly, just like the image you see right here, okay? It's gonna be nice. This is what we're gonna get, it's gonna be nice. Okay, we got exactly what we wanted, but like, I want an adult girl, so we need to specify that young adult blonde girl, okay? I should probably say woman instead of a girl, but it's fine, it's fine. This is the best one for simple prompts. So if you have a simple idea, you don't want to play with all these other stuff, you can use this. Okay, you know what? Let's change the word girl because we are getting very wrong images. I want a young woman, okay? I don't want a kid. It sounds weird, but you know what I mean. I'm just trying to get the vibe that other people are doing. Okay, this is what we're looking for, okay? But check this out. If we change the still to quirky, for example, with the same prompt, we're gonna get different results, okay? We're gonna get this like whimsical, different, funny character. So see, now she's like, she's different, okay? But let's do steampunk, for example. Now she's gonna get like this weird metal stuff on her head. Watch, okay? It's gonna look interesting, you will see. All right, see, this is what I'm talking about. So like, it depends on what you put in a prompt, you're gonna get different results. But in my opinion, this is the best one for like simple stuff, okay? So simple prompts like green dog, for example, okay? This green dog is gonna look different than the green dog that we would put in, I don't know, watercolor girly style, okay? It's gonna be a completely green dog. You can see it's a completely different dog, but let's do a watercolor girly green dog, and it's gonna be like this soft, gentle dog, okay? See, this is what I'm talking about. Boom. And there you have it, guys. This is how you create clip art for Etsy really fast with one tool. I hope you enjoy this. If you want to use it, go to creatoriumai.com. Again, you can get 20% off. If you want to learn more about how to make money on Etsy, follow me or go to the dropshipping.com. This is our community on WAP. There are courses, challenges, weekly meetings, and other stuff. It's free to join. There's a trial that you can try. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you next time. Adios, my friend. Boom.